Alright, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here. So on my hand here, it's the Honor Magic V5 from Honor Philippines. So finally, sa tindahan tayo ng One Ayala Honor Store in One Ayala. So kung bibili kayo, pumunta kayo dito. So napakaganda. No? So before I do the hands-on, discuss ko muna sa inyo yung tech specs ng phone na to, Honor Magic V5. So eto, panoorin nyo. Okay, ito na yung tech specs ni Honor Magic V5. For the display, meron siyang inner screen na 7.95 inches at kanyang external screen is 6.43 inches. Ito ay OLED display, yung kanyang folded tsaka unfolded, lahat yan OLED display. At meron siyang 5,000 nits na HDR peak brightness, 1,300 nits inner space global peak brightness, at 1,800 nits na external screen global peak brightness. Yung kanyang screen glass material is Honor Super Armored inner screen. Tapos yung kanyang external screen naman ay merong Honor Anti-Scratch Nano Crystal Shield. And for the body ni Honor Magic V5, meron siyang 217 grams na weight at 9mm thickness pag naka folded, and then 4.2mm pagka unfolded siya yung kanyang thickness. So medyo manipis siya, no? For the IP rating, meron siyang IP58 at IP59. This is a water and dust resistance. So hindi siya waterproof, no? Water resistance lang siya. At meron siyang carbon fiber, reinforced inner display panel with 380 GPa resist bending. So hindi siya mababali, hindi siya mabebed, matibay-tibay siya. At meron siyang Honor mortise and tenon dampening hinge na merong 500,000 reliable folds tsaka 2,300 MPa super steel strength. So yung hinge niya, your hinge is matibay. Hindi siya ganun magto-turn out kagad. So matibay siya. For the CPU ni Honor Magic V5, gumagamit siya ng Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Mobile. This is octa-core at meron siyang GPU na Adreno 830. For the OS, it's Magic OS 9.1 based on Android 15. For the memory, it's 16GB of RAM plus 16GB of expansion RAM na merong 512GB of storage. For the camera naman ni Honor Magic V5, this is a triple camera. For the rear camera, isang 50 megapixel na may ultra-wide 2.0 aperture at pangalawa, 50 megapixel na wide camera na 1.6 na may IOS, 64 megapixel na telephoto lens na may 2.5 aperture na may OIS, na tinatawag ng AI Honor Falcon camera, yung telephoto zoom niya, at can do 4K video recording at may EIS o OIS yung kanyang rear camera. For the front camera ni Honor Magic V5, pag naka-fold, it's 20 megapixel, tsaka yung second camera niya pag naka-folded, it's 20 megapixel na rin din. So dalawang 20 megapixel na front camera and can shoot 4K video recording. For the battery specs ni Honor Magic V5, gumagamit siya ng 5,820 mAh battery na may 66 watts Honor Supercharge pag naka-wired, pero pag wireless 50 watts yung kanyang i-charge. For other specs ni Honor Magic V5, this is 5G ready, may Wi-Fi 2.4, Wi-Fi 5, tsaka Wi-Fi 6 at Bluetooth 6 yung ginagamit niya, may NFC. This is a USB Type-C port. Ang ear jack niya is USB Type-C rin. At meron siyang fingerprint, tsaka face recognition, Honor Sound yung ginagamit niya, at meron siyang Google Gemini AI, at you can sync and connect sa abang iOS device using the Honor Share, at compatible siya with the Honor Magic Pen. So pwede kayong magsulat, pwede kayong mag-drawing using the Honor Magic Pen dito sa Honor Magic V5. For the body available, meron siyang Dawn Gold, reddish brown, ivory, at ivory white. So Dawn Gold, reddish brown, tsaka ivory white yung available niya. For the SRP, Honor Magic V5 is 89,999. That's the 16GB plus 512GB of storage. So that's the tech specs, and let's go back now to our hands-on test. Alright, let's do this. Alright, napanood nyo na, no? So ready na tayo to do the hands-on test. Alright, we are here sa Honor Store sa One Ayala, and we found a Honor Magic V5. May ito ng kulay, eh. The world's thinnest ba rin itong foldable phone na ito from Honor Philippines. And I got my own Honor Magic V3, and here's a comparison. Diba? Ganda, oh. Pero mas manipis ito. Ito parang mga 8, parang I think it's the millimeter, no? Parang I did, at it's 8.8 to millimeter. Pag unfolded, it's 4.1. Ito at kasi pag unfolded, nasa 6 yata eh. So, mas manipis pa rin ito. So, nangyari, it is a foldable phone. Ayan siya. Ganda, grabe. Super ganda. Ngayon tayo makapag-hands-on na ito kasi wala tayong review units from Honor Philippines. And I'm doing a ninja vlogging. Walang tao dito. Ako lang yung tao dito. Pero nagbabantay naman sa likod doon. So super nice. I think still the best phone for Honor. At nakita ko no, din sa kanilang event. Kasi yung event, di ako naka-attend din. Nilubog nila to sa aquarium. At it is waterproof. Tama siyang waterproof to, no?
Hindi siya.
Ay, siya waterproof? Parang nakita ko nakatubog siya sa aquarium.
Yun na, water resistant.
Water resistant lang.
Lahat yan sir, water resistant.
So parang kasi dati yung sa V3, sa washing machine nilagay. So yun pala siya waterproof. So still the world's thinnest smartphone. Kita ko yung tawag dito. Yung kay iPhone Air, wala. Mas manipis pa rin kapag naka-unfold. It's 4.1. I think si iPhone is sa 5 yata. Check nyo na lang. So it's still medyo weird, no? Kasi pag nakagrip ako dito, medyo manipis na to para sa akin yung V3. Manipis na to. Pero pag hawak ko to, magaan manipis. At mas gusto ko yung sa V3 ko is walang casing para feel ko yung build. Super nipis. At the pricing is still the same, 89,999. Itong V5 is 89,999 din. So parang plano ko, benta ko yung V3 ko para makabili. Para makabili ako ng V5 kahit benta ko to ng 60,000. May papatol pa din. Kasi sobrang nipis, super ganda. Parang its power is very Snapdragon 8 Elite yung processor niya. And for the camera, it's 50 megapixel, 50 megapixel. I think it's triple. I think yun yata siya. Ilan ba yung 64 megapixel, yung 50-50 to 64. Tapos the front camera is kung alala yung specs ng front camera na ito. Front camera 20 megapixel, 2020. So yung front camera sa unfolded, tsaka sa fold, it's 20 megapixels parehas. And the rear camera is 50-50-64. Periscope camera is 64 megapixel. And for the battery, it's 5820. Yan. 6.43 inches. And that's it. So, sa bahay, napanood nyo naman yung aking tech specs rundown, no, for the Magic V3. Wala tayong way to test it out, but here's a store lang talaga. Super ganda, super ganda. I want to test the camera. Testingin natin yung camera para mapakita ko sa inyo. Switch natin sa rear camera. And now, I'm holding the Magic V5. Honor Magic V5. To test out the camera. So this is the 0.5, 1x, 2x, 3x, 6x. So maximum nito is around 100x. And very super telescope na to. So medyo mataas yung kanyang resolution loss, no. Usually mga 30x ako pagka photo Pero pag video it's around I think 0.5, 1x, 2x, 3x. Grabe, naka 4K 60 FPS pa to. This is up to 10x yung kanyang Hindi pa siya umabot ng lagpas 10x. It's still the same with the Magic V3. For the front camera, 0.x for the front, 1x. For the video, 0.x at 1x. At for the mode, may night mode, portrait, photo, video, pro, and more. Wala siyang underwater. So one of my wish list, no, kay Honor, no, Underwater mode na rin sila kasi si Oppo tsaka si Vivo meron. Tsaka si Realme meron silang underwater mode. Ito wala So hopefully next year nag-adapt na sila sa waterproofing. But meron siyang dual video and stage, can document, store, sticker, super macro, high res, panorama, light painting, slow-mo, and ayan. And to check out the memory niya about the phone, it's 16GB of RAM plus 16GB of RAM turbo, so that's 36. Tama ba? At ano pa ba? So ilan ba yung ano to? 512 siya. Just very interesting. So yung RAM pala is 32, di pala 36. 32GB of RAM total. And still Snapdragon 8 Elite. At yeah. So naka 4K to. So check natin yung camera, naka 4K to. And still wala pa rin siyang way to switch to the rear camera habang recording. Unlike dito sa aking gamit na Honor 400 Pro, pwede ako mag-switch ng camera like this. Ayan, ganyan. Nakapag-switch ako ng camera front of the rear in one click. So wala pa rin siyang ganong feature. But still, maganda yung camera nito for zoom. And it's the best, thinnest foldable smartphone, Honor Magic V5. Napakaganda. And it's 89,999. IP58 and IP59 water resistant talaga siya. So hopefully next year nakapag waterproofing na siya, kamukha ng mga ibang kalaban nilang phone. So I guess that's it for a short hands-on test with the Honor Magic V5. Napakaganda. Thank you kay Honor. Na-miss out ko yung event ni Honor kaya dito tayo sa mga tindahan nag-unboxing Kasi that's the only way that we can touch and try this awesome phone from Honor Philippines. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video vlog.